how to use Tremendous Visa card. Now in this video, I'm going to explain to you or provide you information as to how you can use a Tremendous gift card. Now, if you pull up or open up a Tremendous Visa card account, you can actually choose between a physical card or a virtual Visa cards. This actually can be used for online purchases or to use as a card payment into physical store. That is if that specific merchant or store allows card that you can just simply swiping it in and you should be able to make the payment. Now, using this card as for your online purchases or for shopping, or you would like to use this card into, it's very easy. But what you need to do first is to activate the card. So the key details for using Tremendous Visa cards is activation, online purchases, or in-store purchases. And all you have to do is to have it activated first. Activation of the card, if you're using a physical card, is located at the back of the card and simply run it into any machine that is available on your nearest area. However, for virtual cards, all you have to do is to simply clicking on the link that you will receive the once you have opened an account, or you can go into the specific link, which is going to be this link right here, and just provide your account details. And that's it. That's the most general way of explaining and how you can use Tremendous Visa card.